We're about to ride the zipper, and we're going to give you a point of view. Okay, and we are in. This is one of the old models, and I am sandwiched in here pretty good. This one does have the bars on the front and the wire door. If you're interested in seeing what the new zipper looks like, make sure to look up our new Chance Ride zipper video. You'll see the difference. Okay, and we're off, I think. There we go. And we're over. This one is old. It sounds like it's about to fall apart. It's part of the fun of a carnival ride. Over. By my pocket so nothing comes out. No, we're done, I think, unless we go the other way. Just in case I got hold of it. Okay, so it was a really short ride. It might not be over yet. But like I said, if you're interested in this zipper versus the new zipper, make sure you check out our new Chance Rides zipper video. Oh, we're going again now. Oh no, I think they're just unloading. So thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.